This is a very simple way of hooking up your DJI wireless mic. Watch me push this in and watch the confirmation on the screen. When you get that confirmation, then you plug in your DJI wireless mic and you're good to go. Here is the transmitter. As you can see, the mic working. If you disconnect your USB-C, you get a confirmation. So if you're pushing this on and you don't have confirmation, you're not going to get your wireless mic to work. That'd be the problem that everybody's having. You must firmly seat it. It's not going to ask you for a confirmation, only a confirmation when you remove it. You could take it, you could put it back in 100%, and it confirms seating. And then you're able to, once again, stick it into the Action 3 and use your Action 3.